So this is our AI thumbnail which we made in 30 minutes using AI, and you can make it in 5 minutes. Can show you all the layers here so you can understand it properly in a proper manner. And here is the layers with us. We have to first of all close all the layers visibility, then I will show you. So first of all, we created a background. You can see the background here, and ये background from AI. So let's go to our Chrome and open Google AI Studio, and here you can see our history, which is written Christmas background with gifts. So we just type Christmas background with gifts, and it will load in a while, and then it gives result like this. And our prompt was generate an image of a Christmas background with gifts kept there and with decorations, realistic image. So we found this one. Okay, now next one is our, wait for a second, next one is our Glow PNG, and you can download Glow PNG from Google. It's free, absolutely it's free. So you can find it on Google, and you can download it. We again used it for the better visibility, and then we added our character. Okay, we again went to Google AI Studio, and here we gave our photo, and given the prompt convert this image into a Santa Claus with short. You can also add white mustache. Okay, so this one is what a Google AI Studio has been given, and then we have to just go to removal AI. This is a AI tool which you can use, removal AI, and that will help you to remove the background of the character. Okay, then we add, here you will see the shadow. You will get the shadow PNG also on Google. Okay, then we added our text. You can add text using any of the application, like I am using Affinity right now. You can use Photoshop or Pixel Lab, mobile, or any applications for your text. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this one. I hope and ये 4-5 मिनट की वीडियो होगी, so you can also create something like this in just 5 to 10 minutes. So I hope you learned something new from this. मैं मिलता हूँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.